Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like bendi bhaji here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhaji, sagalu. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Okay, we're about to do a chicken Ceylon. Now this is a hot dish, so again we have a little bit of oil. So we're going to put a bit of garlic. We put a little bit of balti, a little bit of onion, put some tomato, feel right. Chicken Ceylon.
And what's the name of Ceylon with this as well? What is the meaning of it, or is there a term?
Well, it's basically a hot curry.
Yeah.
A bit of coconut.
Okay.
So we put a chicken, we put a bit of coconut, bit of methi, a bit of lemon juice.
Oh, lovely.
And then we're going to put our gravy. And now we're going to put our chili. Chili, like normally a Ceylon would have about 2 teaspoons. Okay, so then because we put chili, it's going to take up water before it cooks. So we have to put a little bit extra water, otherwise it'll be too thick too quick.
Okay, so chili in itself then just kind of reduces the water.
Yeah, it basically takes the water.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
to get it really nice, and a little bit of pepper and a little bit of coriander. That's our chili done. Now all we have to do is let it cook out. The reason I also put the water is so that it can cook a bit better and a little bit longer, so that the chili is nicely cooked.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know what you mean, yeah.
So we'll just wait until that's nicely thickened. You can put a bit of fresh green chili in as well. And that's our chicken Ceylon. So now all we have to do is just wait until it thickens up. For a picture, and then we'll put it in there. Next one we'll do is chicken jalfrey. No, just on the side. Yeah, that's fine. Well, when you're doing hot curries, it's always good to put a bit of lemon juice or a bit of Worcester sauce. Would you? My mum in the old days used to put Worcester sauce.
Really?
Yeah.
Bless.
But we put lemon juice.
And it just cuts through it, heat
Yeah,
a little bit.
that's
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
But I normally put fresh lemon juice. Some people use bottled lemon juice, which is not so good.
And would you use either the lemon rind as well, or could you, or would that make
What,
it
lime?
they say the rind has more.
Oh, you mean the rind?
Yeah.
No, because it's too.
It doesn't
The
have the cut factor.
the whole purpose of cooking like this is quick.
Quick, yeah.
If you try to get lemon rind, it's time consuming.
With
So it's easier to just
Get
have.
the juice, and yeah, with you, of course.
Do you want to have a little taste?
Oh yes, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Ooh, then really it's kicking after. You get the palate of everything on your tongue, and then the heat really kicks in the back of the throat afterwards.
But I've not put, normally the amount of chili I put is for like a vindaloo.
Yeah.
So this is just a little bit less.
Perfect.
You know?
That's good for me.
¿Qué hambre?
No, which number? Because I told her that you're going to be birthday.
Oh, number 8. Bombay potato. I can do Bombay potato and keep those for what you call it, isn't it?
Yeah, what I'm saying is do the ones that you need to do, then if you're going to drop Leon off, then I can start clearing up all that.
Okay.
This is going off a little bit.
Oh.
Sorry, okay.
So because I put a little bit extra water, it'll take a little bit longer,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the flavours would be much better than if you was to just cook it less.
Cook it less, I know what you mean, because the flavours wouldn't fuse in.
Like
as
if you cook a fowl, you would put probably about this spoon of chili, and you would put the chili first, and then you would put water to kind of dehydrate the chili before you start the curry.
I once looked up the hottest curry that you could make in an Indian, and it was it's PAAL.
Yeah, fine. But you wouldn't want to eat it really.
Now-
It's just too much chili.
Friends of mine were messing around with food once before we had drinks one time, and I says, and he goes, oh man, I can't handle the hot stuff. I says, you want to try the pal? I says, that's.
Okay.
Very hot. Way too hot.
Okay, it's ready. See, it looks good. It's finished.